na-aza nwoke doesn't mean na values of marriage as a man. Ihe ma we need take responsibility. Take responsibility of provision. Onya we here most of you people non marriage you cannot talk to me anyhow. Why I cannot do this? As long as I am providing for her, as long as majority don't even know that now you marry your partner. You don't marry your enemy.
I think you're repeating yourself. I want to respond with 1 minute. Then
Mr. Mfita, Mr. Mfita, no, Mr. Mfita, they will leave, sir. Happy you all make a good point, and which I like his very good points. Mr. Anyidons, I'm sorry for that. Go ahead, sir, Mr. Any.
Now, you, Imago anyhow. See, only love oge. Tony Gejigba Yoku matters a lot. Time you get web takowari, all of them are coming from a point of love. Not only a point of responsibility. See, only love rena akowari ihe, iya na akowari ya ka asị na ekwuru. Iya na akowari ya ka ọghọta. Maka na ịchọrọ ka onye love made that mistake ga hurt ya, because love protects. Mana onye na love ho, ị na akowari ya ihe, ị ga na agwụ ya so that echi ajụọ gị sị na ịgwara ya. Ka inwe ike exonerate onwe gị. You don't be in a relationship naturally if you know that you don't love your partner and your partner doesn't love you. You are committing, you're making a decision on you deciding whether you get a dindu ogologo on. See, some of them in our parents, some of them are lonely. Maharon at old age is because of mistake I make when I marriage. Because of Guinea, I lose go. The main focus in our life because the government had